Top headlines for the day.
As we all know that yesterday Salman Khan flew off to Dubai. Apparently, Bhai is on a promotion tour of his brother's directorial venture, Freaky Ali. We came across a few pictures of the press conference in which we can see Bhai seated along with the cast of the film, which includes Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Amy Jackson, Arbaz Khan and others. Well, Sultan of Bollywood has always been known for supporting B-Towners. Then why would he not do it for his brothers? Moreover, this film has been produced by Salman Khan Productions. Well, Freaky Ali is a story of an aspiring golfer played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui. The film is releasing on September 9th and would clash with Katrina Kaif and Siddharth Malhotra's Baar Baar Dekho. Aren't you guys excited to watch Freaky Ali? Do let us know. Sultan, who happens to be in Dubai for promotions for his home production movie Freaky Ali, has another reason to be there. Yes, here we got a glimpse of Bhaijan with the summer issue of Saffron, the Society Insider, proudly flaunting the issue. Why would he not flaunt? He happens to be on the cover page of this magazine. Must agree, Bhaijan has enough reasons to rejoice at his professional front. Don't you guys agree? While promoting the movie, he even met his fans in Dubai. Freaky Ali has been directed by his younger brother Sohail Khan and has created enough buzz already for the unique storyline. And the trailer, which has already crossed 5 million views. Now one needs to see whether it would be another super hit in the making. Meanwhile, Salu fans, go grab your copy of this magazine. Will you or won't you? And don't forget to tell us about it. Superstar Salman Khan is doing a balancing act and now has landed in Dubai for promoting his home production movie Freaky Ali, which has been directed by his younger brother Sohail Khan. And we got a few glimpses of his Dubai promotions, as some of his fans happily shared the pictures on social media. Bhai looks pretty comfortable and at ease, whereas fans surely had butterflies in their tummy. Don't we know how Bhai carries an amazing aura? It seems his brother Sohail and Arbaz have also tagged along. Looks like the entire Khandan are pushing promotions with equal excitement. The trailer has already created a huge buzz. Moreover, it has even crossed 5 million views. Quite apparent, since Bhaijan is associated with this movie. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Arbaz Khan, Amy Jackson's star looks every bit promising. So Salu fans, did these pictures make your day? Are you waiting for Freaky Ali to hit the theatres? Do let us know. We have seen Salman Khan's stardom amongst his fans. His fans have always been sharing their craziest dance videos on social networking sites. But now, there's one more name added to this list. But this one is a celebrity. Well, the Anybody Can Dance fame Lauren Gottlieb recently shared her dance video on Twitter and wrote a caption, "When your Indian Uber driver in London is playing your favorite Salman Khan song, this is bound to happen." After seeing her video, must say that she danced crazily on Bhai's Jume Ki Raat song on the streets of London. After all, it's a magic of Salman's stardom. You can't control yourself after his famous dance number hits your ears. No wonder he's loved by all. Don't you think so? Do let us know how you felt after watching Lauren's post. Bhaijan is associated with many people inside and outside the B-Town. We came across one such picture which will tell you how he's associated with people outside B-Town. Yes, take a look. One can see Bhai along with restaurant owners of Bhaijans at his Galaxy apartments. Bhai looks awesome as always and is all set to go back on the sets of Kabir Khan's Tubelight. In spite of being neck deep in work, he does manage to meet people who wish to see him in person. Isn't that sweet of Bhai? He's one man in Bollywood who has paved his own way and has always managed to strike the right chord amongst the people. Currently, he's on a promotion tour of his home production movie Freaky Ali and later would start shooting for Kabir Khan's Tubelight. Salu fans will experience exciting times ahead since he has back-to-back movies. Whoa, what more do you want? Do let us know.
Hello people, the first teaser of Bigg Boss 10 was out a few days ago and it has already left us excited. And now, here's a news that's surely going to make your day. We have the first tentative list of Bigg Boss 10 contestants. Excited already? Take a look. An actor with a controversial past, one who was accused of raping his maid in 2009. Boyfriend of late Pratyusha Banerjee. The self-acclaimed godwoman who often lands up in controversies. Our little Anjali from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, who has turned out to be really hot these days. And Arman Jain, Raj Mahajan and Kabir Bedi are a few names who have got really high chances to be on a show. So people, who according to you are most likely to be a part of the show? As we all know that Ranbir Kapoor and Katrina Kaif are no more in a relationship. And thus after breakup, Kat is now coming closer to her ex-boyfriend Salman Khan. Nowadays, she is often spotted at Salman's parties as well as family functions. But now, Kat gave a shocking statement in an interview about Salman, which might give you a shock too. Reportedly, the Baar Baar Dekho actress said, "No, I don't get affected when Salman takes a dig at me. This is how he is." Well, after her shocking statement, we must say that Kat is now ready to take every prank of Salman, which she once used to hate it. After all, breakup के बाद सब बदल जाता है ना? But now, it would be interesting to see how Sallu's current girlfriend Ulia Vanter would react to it. As we all know that Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil's teaser was finally released yesterday. And after that, the teaser got a phenomenal response to it. It just left us mesmerized with the brilliant masterpiece that Karan has crafted with his brigade of actors, Ranbir Kapoor, Anushka Sharma, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Fawad Khan. But do you know, the impactful teaser has already broken the internet, and in a single day, the view count on YouTube stands at a whopping 8 million. Wow, isn't it great? Well, the film has already created a huge buzz for its unusual story in which a young boy falls in love with an older woman. Also, the intimate scenes between Ranbir and Ash has already raised everyone's eyebrows up. After all, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is all set to give us a treat. And we are damn excited for this treat. What about you guys?
As we all know that Deepika Padukone recently made it to the Forbes list of world's highest paid actresses, where she stood on the 10th position. But do you know, her beau Ranveer Singh was paid lesser than Deepika? Reportedly, Deepika is getting paid Rs 11 crores for Sanjay Leela Bhansali's next Padmavati, which is indeed a record-breaking price for any B-Town actress. So where does that leave her beau Ranveer, who will also be a part of the film? According to close sources, he's getting somewhere between Rs 7 to 8 crores, which is lesser than Dippy. Whoa, now that's women power at its best. Thus, we are pretty sure Ranveer will definitely be proud of his girlfriend. After all, their love has always been leading news of every tabloid and film magazines. Till then, do let us know what do you think about the price tag that Dippy has earned? Does she deserve it? Bhai has always lived up to his words, yes, and here's why. Bhaijan had promised to give each athlete 1,01,000 who participated at the Rio Olympics in 2016. Rajiv Mehta, secretary of IOA, told the media that he's such a big celebrity superstar, but he follows protocol. He wants to do his job through the IOA. We are very happy to have appointed him as a goodwill ambassador. Now, isn't that a kind gesture by our superstar? Salman has this unique way of doing things which touches the right chord amongst people. In fact, what surprises us is when he was chosen as the brand ambassador for Rio Olympics, sports fraternity showed their unhappiness. But this didn't deter Bhaijan, as he stood strong and lived up to his promise. No wonder he's the only man in B-Town who creates the right amount of buzz each time he does something out of the box. Didn't this news make your day? Do let us know.
Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil's teaser is finally out, and it is getting a positive response from the audiences. The film stars Ranbir Kapoor, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Anushka Sharma and Fawad Khan in an important role. Well, after the teaser release, many Bollywood celebs praised the teaser on Twitter. But there is one celebrity who didn't comment anything about the teaser. Any guesses? Well, it is none other than Salman Khan. As we all know that the relationship between Ash and Sallu is not less than a war. Thus, you don't have to be surprised for not commenting anything about the teaser. After all, भाई ने एक बार जो commitment कर दी, तो वो अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनते. Thus, he always ignores his ex-girlfriend Aishwarya. What do you think? Will he comment anything on Ae Dil Hai Mushkil in future? Bollywood's Bhaijan Salman Khan has always been known for his unique way of promotions. And now, he turns into Desi Indiana Jones for new promo of Bigg Boss 10. Yes guys, reportedly he will be seen emulating the action hero Indiana Jones. And guess what? We came across with some pictures of his new look where one can see he's looking damn hot. Also, the Sultan star has given a Desi touch to it and will be seen playfully dancing with a mashal. Oh, so adorable he's looking. Well, Bhai earlier was seen as an astronaut as well as a sultan. Reportedly, the channel will telecast these promos till the show kicks off later this year. But we must say that Bhai's fan would be damn excited to see a Desi Indiana Jones. What about you guys? Bollywood Sultan Salman Khan has always been known for his unique way of promotions. And nowadays, he has been showing his different looks through his upcoming Bigg Boss 10's promo. We have seen Bhaijan as an astronaut as well as in Sultan's avatar. But now he will be seen emulating the action hero Indiana Jones. Wow, isn't that great? We came across with some pictures of his new looks where one can see he is looking damn hot. Also, to give it a Desi touch, Sallu is seen playfully dancing with a mashal. Well, reportedly, the channel will telecast these promos till the show kicks off later this year. But we must say that Bhai's fan would be damn excited to see him in different look, wouldn't they? What about you guys?
So Sallu fans, Bhaijan is all set to team up with the Gajini director A.R. Murgadoss for a high-octane action drama. Yes, the director has finally put all the speculations to rest and confirmed that he's definitely directing Bhai in a film that would be produced by Atul Agnihotri. In an interview, he revealed that I narrated 2 or 3 scripts to Salman Khan, but it didn't quite work out. He's currently busy with some other projects and hence I started shooting for Mahesh Babu film. Directing Salman in a film is a dream and that film will definitely happen. The film will happen once everything falls into place. Well, we have seen A.R. Murgadoss's Gajni and Holiday, which was loaded with action. And now after this confirmation, it would definitely create a high level of anticipation amongst Sallu fans. So are you excited for this high-octane action drama? Do let us know. Hey Sallu fans, brace yourself for Salman Khan's most entertaining reality show, Bigg Boss. The high-voltage reality show would kickstart on October 16th. Yes, reportedly, the makers have planned an interesting twist in the format of the show by roping in common people. So it won't be loaded with controversies since known celebrities won't be locked inside the glass-walled house but Aam Aadmi. Well, the show has already created a huge buzz after its first promo came out, in which Salman was seen in an astronaut avatar. Especially in a promo, he promised his fans that this time Bigg Boss is going to create history on the Indian television. Interesting times ahead. Well, must say that his fans would definitely be excited to know the contestants on the show. Aren't you guys not excited to know? Do let us know. Sushant Singh Rajput had recently visited the sets of celebrity dance reality show Jhalak Dikhla Ja Season 9 to promote his upcoming film MS Dhoni The Untold Story. One hears that the actor enjoyed a lot with judges Karan Johar, Jacqueline Fernandez, Ganesh Hegde and not to forget the host Manish Paul. Here are few pictures from the sets that have gone viral on the social media, in which one can see that the Kai Po Che star is posing with Jacqueline and Karan. We are sure Sushant got nostalgic since he was a contestant on Jhalak Season 4 before he entered the B-Town. He revisited his memories when he came onto the show and must say that this episode would be a treat for all the Sushant fans, isn't it? So are you excited to see Sushant again on Jhalak? Do let us know.
Hello fans, here is an exciting news for you all. 2018's new Santa Claus in B-Town will be none other than the Badshah of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan. Still don't understand? Wake up guys! King of Bollywood, Shah Rukh is all set to entertain by Anand L. Rai's next film, in which he stars as a dwarf. Apparently, Red Chillies Entertainment Private Limited announced this news on Twitter, which wrote, "Excited to announce our film with Anand L. Rai and SRK in association with Color Yellow Productions is releasing December 21, 2018. Title to be revealed soon." Wow, isn't that a great news for SRK fans? Interestingly, SRK replied on Twitter, "This one is more special to all of us." And the title is too sweet. Wait for it. And guess what? The director too replied him, "अजी ऐसा वैसा मीठा नहीं, बहुत बहुत मीठा title." Well, the kind of enthusiasm shown by the director and his actor makes us even more curious to know what the title of the film will be. Don't you think so? Let us know.
Shahnshah of Bollywood Amitabh Bachchan recently visited the sets of celebrity dance reality show Jhalak Dikhla Ja Season 9 along with Taapsee Pannu to promote his upcoming film Pink. Looks like Big B and Taapsee enjoyed a lot along with judges Karan Johar, Jacqueline Fernandez, Ganesh Hegde and the host Manish Paul. Well, the pictures of this special episode went viral on social media and one can see Big B shook a leg along with other celebrity contestants. Apparently, Big B shared his experience on Twitter about the film's promotion and captioned it as "in illustrious company for Jhalak, a recitation that shall culminate the product." Teaser, na? We must say that the special episode is indeed a treat for all the Big B fans, isn't it? So are you excited for the special episode? Do let us know in the comments section below.